Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we've got a package that came in from a guy that sells on Etsy called Senor Peppers. I cut the bag when I was opening it with my knife. I didn't know my knife was going to be that sharp. But here we've got the dill pickle flavor. I've got another one that I'm going to review in another video, the habanero. And I apologize for the lighting. We just now got the office set up here at the new house. And I don't have my lighting kit. It's somewhere buried outside there. Anyways, so let's get started with this review of the dill pickle flavor. It says the ingredients is beef, brown sugar, salt, black pepper, liquid smoke, Worcestershire sauce, garlic pepper or garlic powder, onion powder, soy sauce, and dill pickle juice. So if you'd like to have a recipe, the recipe that I used to use, you can find it in the description box down below, a link that'll take you to where my recipe is back when I used to make and sell beef jerky. But today we're talking about Senor Peppers. This guy said that he started out, and it sounds just like everybody else's story. He started out making beef jerky just as a hobby for the family and friends and whatnot, and then everybody started asking, where can I buy it? And there you go, you ended up with selling on Etsy. He does offer a gift bag with 3 different flavors in it: dill pickle, peppered, and original. It comes with a gift bag, a nice gift bag, as you see there in the picture. But let's get back to this. My wife, she's dying to try this, but she does not get in any of the videos, hardly ever. I told her, I said, come on up, get in the video. Wow, that smells like dill pickle, like chips. If you like dill pickle chips, that's what it smells like. Good Lord, look at that piece of beef jerky. That's nice. Thin cut. Wow, you can see the pepper on the outside of it. Let's pull it apart here. See, it's got that nice texture when you pull it apart, where the meat just pulls there. It got a nice little crisp to it. Let's dry it out all the way. Now, when I chew beef jerky, I like to chew it till I get the juices flowing in it. Wow, that dill pickle flavor in there is amazing. I wonder what cut he uses. I wonder if that's eye round. But it's really dry. I know some people like it a little more tender. That's good though. No, it's got good flavor. So as far as the flavor goes, and the way that he described it, it's really good. It's perfect. Got the dill pickle flavor to it. So he's got big pieces in here. That's the way I used to sell mine when I first started. Yeah, that's really nice big pieces right there. This is like a cowboy cut. Not as thick as a cowboy cut, but it's like a cowboy cut. It's so thin that you can just tear it off without pulling your teeth out of your head. Really good. So head on over to the link in the description box down below. When you order it, tell them that you saw it on Van's World. Pick you up some of this dill pickled beef jerky. You're gonna love it. You're not gonna regret ordering it. I would advise getting the gift pack because I believe it's a little cheaper and you get more flavors in it. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Y'all have a good one now. You come back.